Hi guys, here with this quick video today just to show you exactly how I use my Yubi Buff Brush to apply my foundation. Now remember, you can use your Buff Brush to apply liquid, cream, or powder foundation. Today I'll be demonstrating with liquid and cream. I start by taking my Buff Brush and my favorite liquid foundation right now, and I apply 2 to 3 drops just to the surface of the brush. Feel free to apply directly to your skin. If that's more comfortable for you, it works as well. You'll note that a little bit will go a very long way with a brush as dense as Yubi. I then take my brush and I tap gently to apply the product and transfer it from the surface of the brush right to my face. Once transferred, I start by using very gentle, sweeping circular motions to blend the product into my skin. These sweeping motions will ensure that you get the most flawless, even finish ever. And with a few quick sweeps, your foundation is all blended in. It's that easy. As I mentioned, Yubi works perfectly with cream products as well. Here I'm using another foundation I love, a cream stick foundation. I'm applying it directly to the surface of my face. And then again, taking my Buff Brush and with gentle, sweeping circular motions, I'm blending it in flawlessly. Gone are the days of struggling with cream foundations to get them to blend evenly. Yubi takes care of all of that. I hope this little video helps as you continue to enjoy your Yubi.